Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start transformation of functions. Before starting transformations, we will recall some important concepts from O levels. Reflection in x-axis. When there is a reflection in x-axis, we will change the sign of y coordinate. If this one is a point 3, 2, when we will reflect this point in x-axis, this one is the reflection and the image has the coordinates 3 comma minus 2. You can see that there is no change in the x coordinate, but we will change the sign of the y coordinate. It means we will transform 3 to 3 minus 2, or if the point is xy, then the new image point is x comma minus y. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now reflection in y-axis. In case of reflection in y-axis, change the sign of x coordinate. What will be the image of this point 3, 2 in y-axis? This point 3, 2 in y-axis?
ये -3 2 हो जाएगा.
Minus 3 and 2. Yes, correctly. And if the point is xy, minus x, the image is minus x and y after reflection in y-axis. Now there was another reflection in the line y is equal to x. Interchange the coordinates simply. When we interchange the coordinates in functions, when do we change the interchange the coordinates in functions?
Is the y is equal to x की line पे reflection और उधर diagonal line है bottom left से top right.
Sorry,
So जो y is equal to x की जो line है जब उस पे reflect होता है तब
when do we change the coordinates in functions?
so जब y is equal to x पे reflection हो रही होती है
When we take inverse of any function, we interchange the coordinates. We interchange the domain and the range. We interchange x and y.
जी सर
Whenever we want to find out the inverse of a function, we interchange the coordinates. We interchange the range and domain. We interchange the x and y. Okay,
जी सर
yx. And there was also a translation. In translation, there is a translation vector. There is a translation vector. There is a translation vector. Translation के अंदर we do not change the direction of the diagram. We just shift the diagram, which just shift the triangle towards right, towards left, or towards up, or towards down. Okay.
जी सर
1 3 means 1 3 means we will shift the, this one is the change in x, and this one is change in y. We will shift the given diagram 1 unit towards right and 3 units towards up. Okay.
ओके सर समझ गए
Now A levels. We will use these transformations in functions. Now we will learn transformation of functions. First of all, reflection. Reflection in x-axis. Reflection in x-axis. In reflection in x-axis, we change the sign of Ji Yan. while reflection in x-axis, we will change the sign of
y.
yes. Change the sign of y coordinate. Now, we will apply this onto any function. Now the curve is y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. We want to find the equation of the curve when this curve is reflected in x-axis. What is the expression for y?
सर ये माइनस वन हो जाएगा तो y इज इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस 2.
Very good. We will change the expression for y is x square plus 3x plus 2. We will change the sign of this expression. And the new expression will be y is equal to minus x square plus 3x plus 2. If the original curve is y is equal to f of x, then the curve after reflection is y is equal to minus f of x. Now we will draw this curve y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. To draw a quadratic curve, we will convert this one into complete square form. There are many ways to draw this one. We will convert this one into complete square form. Y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 2.
सर ये माइनस नहीं लगेगा पहले?
बेटा मैं अभी ड्रॉ करना चाहता हूँ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 2. रिफ्लेक्टेड कर्व को नहीं, मैंने जो है वो ब्लैक वाले को ओरिजिनल कर्व को ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. x प्लस 3 by 2 होल स्क्वायर minus 0.25. This one is the complete square form. Line of symmetry is x plus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we will, the minimum value of y is this one minus 0.25. The turning point is turning point, vertex, minimum point, stationary point of this curve is minus 3 by 2, comma, minus 0.25. Is there any confusion?
सर लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री मतलब जो मिडिल में कट होगी.
जी बेटा.
ठीक है. और मिनिमम बाय तो मैक्सिमम तब तक जब पॉजिटिव होगा.
When a is positive, the coefficient of x square is positive, the shape of the curve is a smiley, and there is a minimum value of y. A is equal to 1, the shape of the curve is a smiley, and the curve has a minimum value. If a is negative, then the shape of the curve is a sad sign and the curve has a maximum value. Now we will find out the y-intercept. By putting x is equal to 0 into this curve, we will get 0, 2. Now we will draw this curve. The steps to draw a quadratic curve are, first of all, we will draw the line of symmetry. Number second, turning point. Number 3, y-intercept. And we can also find out the x-intercepts of the curve by putting y is equal to 0. To find out the x-intercepts, we will factorize this equation. There are two x-intercepts, x is equal to -1 and -2. Now we will draw this curve. First of all, we will draw the line of symmetry. This one is x-axis, y-axis. 1, 2. X is equal to -1.5 is the line of symmetry. Now we will draw the turning point. The turning point is -1.5 and -0.25. This one is the turning point. The y-intercept is 2. We will stand at the turning point, pass through the y-intercept, then we will pass through the x-intercept, then we will pass through the y-intercept. As you know that x is equal to 1.5 is the line of symmetry. We will draw the same shape on the other side. This one is the graph of f of x. Now we will draw the reflection of this graph in x-axis. Now, as you know that while reflection in x-axis, we will change the sign of y coordinates. We will change all the signs of y coordinates. The line of symmetry now is x is equal to +3/2. Sorry, change the sign of y coordinates. This will remain same. Line of symmetry will remain same, -3/2. Turning point, we will change the sign of y coordinate. The turning point is now -3/2 and 0.25. Y-intercept is 0 and -2. X-intercepts are -1 and 0 and -2 and 0. Is there any confusion? You can see that this one is the turning point. This one is the turning point with blue color. The x coordinate is the line of symmetry and the y coordinate is the minimum value of y. X coordinate is the line of symmetry and y coordinate is the minimum value of y. Any confusion now?
नहीं सर, अब से हमने वाई इंटरसेप्ट और एक्स इंटरसेप्ट दोनों निकालना होगा।
मैंने इस केस में निकाल लिए हैं ताकि ये क्वेश्चन ज्यादा बेहतर तरीके से एक्सप्लेन हो कि देखें कि व्हेन देयर इज x intercept and x intercept is -1 and 0, this one, we will only change the sign of y coordinate. There will be no change in x coordinate, and it will remain same -1 and 0, -2 and 0.
ओके सर।
Now we will draw the new curve, reflected one. Y-axis.
इसमें आपने flip कर दिया,
Sorry.
0.25 दिया, -0.25 से आपने 0.25 कर दिया।
G. Y coordinate. We will change the sign of y coordinates. All the y coordinates.
अच्छा अच्छा।
Now, for the reflected curve, the line of symmetry is again -3/2. That is, x is equal to 1.5. X is equal to 1.5. The turning point is -1.5 and 0.25. Approximately this one is the turning point. Y-intercept is 0, -2. This one. Stand at the turning point. Pass through the x-intercept. Then y-intercept. And we will draw the same shape on the other side of the line of symmetry. This one is the reflection of the black curve in x-axis. Is there any confusion?
No sir.
Okay. Now, reflection in y-axis. Now we will learn about reflection in y-axis. While reflection in y-axis, we will change the sign of G.
X coordinate.
Now the previous curve was y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2, and the line of symmetry for this one is x is equal to -3/2. The turning point is -3/2 and -0.25. Y-intercept is 0 comma minus 2. X intercepts are minus 2 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0. We will change the sign of y coordinate. We will change the sign of y coordinate.
फिर x कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं होगा.
Sorry, x coordinate. Yes, x coordinate. Now what will be the new equation?
फिर y is equal to minus x square minus 3x minus 2.
Plus 2. We will only change the sign of x coordinate.
अच्छा, तो फिर जो पिछला वाला था उसके अंदर -2 होता था.
Yes, because we have changed the sign of the whole expression. We have changed the sign of the whole expression. That is this one. माइनस एफ ऑफ एक्स. यहां पर हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? माइनस एफ ऑफ एक्स करना पड़ेगा. जो y का एक्सप्रेशन है उसके साथ नेगेटिव साइन लगेगा, इसलिए वहां पर -2 हो गया था. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री? Will there be any change in the line of symmetry?
Yes, yes, sir.
Sorry.
Yes, it's mu2.
Now, what is the new line of symmetry?
3/2.
Yes, we will change the sign of x coordinates. The turning point is, now what is the new turning point?
3/2,
minus 0.25. There will be no change in the y coordinate. And this one is 0 minus 2. This one is y intercept. And the x intercepts are now, जी बताएं, what are the x intercepts?
2,0, 1,0.
Yes, these are the x intercepts. Now we will draw the new curve, which will be a reflection in x-axis, y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is a correction. In this one, the y-intercept is positive 2. This one is 0 plus 2. This one is plus 2. Now, first of all, we will draw the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is x is equal to 1.5. X is equal to 1.5. The now we will draw the turning point. Turning point is 3/2 comma minus 0.25. This one is the turning point, 3/2 comma minus 0.5. Y-intercept is 0 comma 2. This one is y-intercept. And the x-intercepts are 1, 0 and 2, 0. Stand at the turning point, pass through the x-intercept, then from the y-intercept and draw the same image on the other side of the line of symmetry. Any problem? Now you can see that this red color curve and this black curve are reflections of each other in y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we will move towards the translation. बेटा इसके अंदर हम इसका ब्लैक का कर्व भी बना लेते हैं ताकि आपको इसी के ऊपर ही नजर आना शुरू हो जाए कि ये रिफ्लेक्शन बन गई है। इसी को ही मैं एक्सटेंड करके इसी के ऊपर ही ब्लैक वाला बना देता हूं।
जी सर, समझ गया।
अब देखें कि जब ब्लैक वाला हम बनाएंगे द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्रीज एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 minus 1.5. This one is the turning point. This one is these are the x-intercepts. This one is the y-intercept. Now, can you see the reflection in y-axis?
जी सर।
Okay. Now, I will sum up the reflection. Number one is reflection in x-axis. If there is a reflection in x-axis, we will change the sign of y coordinate. If the curve is y is equal to f of x, then the new curve will be y is equal to minus f of x. Number second, reflection in y-axis. If there is a reflection in y-axis, change the sign of x coordinate. If the curve is y is equal to f of x, then the equation of the new curve is y is equal to f of minus x. We will replace x by minus x. Now there are very two important points related to the reflection. If in any curve we replace x with minus x and the equation of the curve is unchanged, then the curve is symmetrical about y-axis. Now I will give you examples. Consider the curve y is equal to cos x. The curve of cos is this. If I will extend this one before y-axis, you can see that the curve is symmetrical about y-axis. Now, when I will replace x with minus x, there is a rule of trigonometry that cos of minus x is equal to cos of x. If I will replace x with minus x in cos of x, the equation of the curve is unchanged and the curve is symmetrical about y-axis. There is another example, y is equal to x square. The shape of the curve is this. When we will replace x with minus x, the equation of the curve is unchanged. So the curve is symmetrical about y-axis. The second important point is, if we replace y with minus y and the equation of the curve is unchanged, then the curve is symmetrical about x-axis. ये बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट रूल्स हैं, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. These important rules will help you in sketching any curve. If you see that the curve is, by putting x is equal to minus x, the curve is, there is no change in the curve. You will draw the portion on the right side of y-axis and you will make a mirror image of that one on the left side of y-axis. In this case, f of x is equal to minus f of x, and in the above case, f of x is equal to f of minus x.